Whiteheads, blackheads, acne, pimples, cystic acne, pigmentation, melasma, a lot of issues that a lot of us face, right? What if we told you we have something that can at least give you relief and stop future acne, stop future pimples, and at least attempt to correction of uneven skin tone? House of Beauty India's HOB Magic Wand. You must have seen this device, a high frequency tool used by your favorite dermatologist. We bring it to you at your doorstep. Follow along for this easy how to use video. In the box, you get the tool and 4 glass diode attachments. Now, this is not only limited to oily skin tone, but aging skin tone, puffy skin, lymphatic drainage, body acne in men and women can also be treated with this. It's a brilliant drying tool. The first diode is for spot treatment or spot pimple relief. So when you see a pimple coming and it's under skin, or you have those deep rooted angry cystic acne coming up, use this the night before the pimple actually comes out. This will help in healing the acne spot or the pimple under skin. It does not take longer to dry up, dries up within 2 to 3 days, and also will not eat the collagen of that region or that area, thus not giving you an acne pit or a hole onto your skin. The mushroom diode is for your under eye lymphatic drainage and should be used like this in a downward direction. The round diode is for your back acne, for cystic acne that you get on your chest. That being said, if you do get back acne or chest acne, do show a doctor. It could be a PCOS issue as well. Lastly, this is not just a face and body tool, but also comes with a hair attachment, which is great to tighten the hair follicles of your scalp, thus reducing hair fall, giving you shiny, thick, voluminous hair. How do you use this tool? Insert the diode like this in the tool when it is switched off. Once you've inserted the diode in, now plug it in into a power point. Do not use it on a regular point. You have a knob here. Twist it on. You will hear this sound. That means your tool has started to work. Now you can increase or decrease the frequency of this tool. Can you see the orange light? Yes, that means your tool started. You can increase the frequency of the orange light to suit your comfort level. Start with the lowest level initially and then move on to a higher level. I'm using this onto a region where I usually get my whiteheads or blackheads, or I know a pimple is coming out. Use this for about 1 to 2 minutes, 2 to 3 times when your skin is acting up. Or if you're using it for lymphatic drainage, you could use it for 2 minutes every day. All you have to do is just use it like this. In a circular fashion. You could use this directly, or you could use it with a wire gauze. Twist the knob off to switch off the tool. Putting the mushroom attachment in, switching it on, and then using it under the eye like this for lymphatic drainage. It is safe to use, but you must just be careful and gentle with your skin. Again, use this for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then on days you know you're feeling that you've got a lot of hair fall, you see that your hair fall is increased, use it onto your scalp like this. Easy to use, home use tool with all the right care and precautions, works like magic. That's why HOB Magic Wand. Happy pampering, guys.